Mrs. India Worldwide is not just a contest or a competition. In fact, it is a transformational journey of finding the new you. और इस ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन में हेल्प कर रहे हैं इंडस्ट्री के एक्सपर्ट्स। और जब बात आती है टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द डी डे, देन डेफिनेटली रैंप वॉक ट्रेनिंग इज मस्ट।
What's wrong, yaar? आप कैसे यहाँ पर खड़े हो रहे हो और आप यहाँ से यहाँ आ रहे हो? 10 बार बोलूं? जब बोल दिया, स्टेज मार्किंग कर दिया, एक यहाँ पर आएगा, एक यहाँ पर आएगा। आप यहाँ पर, ये लोग यहाँ पर आते, यहाँ पर क्या कर रहे हो? You also have to wait for her to come back and then you walk. इतना गैप props और आप proper visible, उससे ज़्यादा गैप नहीं होना चाहिए. See, if you are here, you don't have a prop, you take a turn, you come here, walk, turn, and then again you pose and wait. It's easy for you, you can see the person coming. The person reaches here, turn, walk.
Introduction round. You said we have to come here and we have to speak on the mic. So where will be the mic and who will?
Someone will be coming and giving you the mic.
Okay.
So Zara, what makes you think that you're a winner here?
Well, I think I'm bold, I'm confident than the others here, and I have a great body, of course, and I do a great walk, and I have worked very hard for this, and of course I do have potential to win.
Who, according to you, is your biggest competition?
Well, I think everyone here are very good, and they are, of course, they have worked hard, but right now I'm feeling, I think, Swati Tateja, Tarini, and Alisha Madan. They are my 3 competitors. So
Ritu, why Hot Mon Mrs. India 2019?
Actually, being a cancer survivor, I have seen myself bald for near about 18 months, and those were the days which are very tough for an Indian lady to survive without hair. So I have seen those tough times when you want to look beautiful, and looking at others you feel that no, why this punishment to me? But I never thought like that. I always kept myself positive, and in that bald phase also I kept myself positive and I felt that I am looking beautiful.
मिसेस इंडिया क्यों चुना आपने? और हमने सुना है कि आप कैंसर सर्वाइवर हो, तो हाउ हैज़ दैट चेंज्ड योर लाइफ? आपकी ज़िंदगी कैसे बदली उसने?
हाँ, 2017 में मुझे हेड एंड नेक कैंसर हुआ था, जिसमें मेरा लाइफ में बहुत सारे चेंजेस उसके बाद आ गए हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, मेरा हेड एंड नेक कैंसर में मेरा टंग 5.5 सेंटीमीटर काट दिया गया और मैं फाइनल स्टेज से गुजर रही थी। डॉक्टर ने बोला था शायद मैं जी नहीं पाऊँगी, मरने वाली थी, बट ऊपर वाले की कृपा से और अपने माइंड की जोर से मैं अभी उसी जगह पे आके पहुँच गई हूँ, ये हॉटमॉन मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड के स्टेज पे। मेरा हस्बैंड भी मुझे छोड़कर चला गया बिकॉज मैं देखने में बुढ़ी हो गई थी। मेरा फेस में बहुत सारे चेंजेस आ गया था रेडिएशन की वजह से, और राइट नाउ मेरा एक बॉयफ्रेंड भी हो गया है। मैं उनसे बहुत खुश हूँ। उसका एज है 25 ईयर्स ओल्ड। वो मुझे बहुत प्यार करते हैं और एक तरफ से मुझे इतना मानसिक मतलब मेंटली इतना प्रिपेयर करते हैं कि मैं इस प्रेजेंट में आगे बढ़ पाऊँ या विनर बन पाऊँ। हमेशा मुझे सपोर्ट देती है।
अगर मैं विनर नहीं होती तो मैं अपने बाद स्वाति को देखना चाहूँगी, बिकॉज शी डिजर्विंग लॉट, स्वाति टुटेजा, और उसने वाकई बहुत सारी मेहनत करी है।
A lot of people also say that Tarani is going to win, but I personally do not think this at all. The reason being because I believe in this pageant, you know, the overall personality counts, not that only you're tall, okay, and of course not that you just becoming the center of attraction in this pageant. No, I think the overall I personally believe that she's not a complete package. She's not charming and mesmerizing. She doesn't have that positive aura, you know, in her. Because I have observed and figured it out, she is rude to a lot of people. So of course that counts.
Start living, stop existing is what I believe in. Hi, this is Jyotsna Jha, a CA entrepreneur and a social worker by profession, but human by passion. So I believe in Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam. That's a Sanskrit saying that whole world is a family. Since inception, since the cosmos had an inception, we as in India, as an ancient Vedic civilization of more than 10,000-year-old civilization. So I believe in humanity across the globe. For that I need to work, and definitely Hotmon Mrs. India Worldwide has given us a platform where we can achieve our goals. My mission and goals is to create sustainable employment opportunities. Since I am an NGO runner since past 20 years, and that's what I believe in, that it can create, it can help me take it forward. If you ask me why I should win, I will definitely say, since my childhood, I had all the best qualities of becoming a best human, because humanity is the purpose of my life. And definitely, it's much different than others. I'm much more dedicated. I have nationalism in my blood. I come from army background that leads me to discipline, hard work, dedication. And definitely, it goes in the words of sense of belongingness towards each and every person.
तो आइए अब आपको लेकर चलते हैं कुछ पर्दे के पीछे की खबरों के लिए। थोड़ी नोक-झोंक, किसको लगता है कौन है विनर मटेरियल, या कौन क्यों नहीं डिजर्व करती है मिसेस इंडिया वर्ल्ड वाइड का क्राउन, सब कुछ पता चलेगा।
क्या है प्रॉब्लम? व्हाट्स द प्रॉब्लम? व्हाई आर यू ऑल द टाइम जंपिंग एंड ऑल द टाइम पोकिंग मी एंड हिटिंग ऑन लाइक एनीथिंग शी विल से। मतलब कुछ भी बोल रही है मैसेजेस में, देर इज़ नो कंट्रोल ओवर लाइक इंसल्ट्स एंड ऑल दैट तो उस टाइम ये स्टार्ट हुआ लाइक शी स्टार्ट ऑन माई चेयर विच आई हार्ड मतलब सो आफ्टर हार्ड ऑल डे एंड देन हार्ड वर्क आई गॉट द चेयर, आई लिफ्टेड, मैं रखी थी। तो इसने अच्छे से बोला तो आई वुड हैव गिवन बट देन मेरा भी फिर दिमाग ख़राब होता है ना, उसका भी दिमाग ख़राब है, मेरा भी दिमाग ख़राब ऑलरेडी डे सो लॉन्ग। सो आई वाज सेइंग कि मेरे चेयर में आप बैठे हो, लाइक आई थिंक यू आर सिटिंग ऑन माई चेयर, कैन यू मूव, यू रिमूव इवन माई बैग्स, हाउ कम? जैसे तुम्हारा नाम लिखा है क्या इसमें? आई सेड व्हाट, हाउ कम, हाउ कैन यू टॉक like this to me? तुम जानती भी नहीं मुझे, I'm just requesting, I'm talking to you politely, can you talk politely? Then she started, no. I said, can you move? She said, I cannot move. I said, can you move please, I'm requesting you. No, I cannot move. At least she can say politely, okay, I'll move after. Can I sit for a while, like 10 minutes? I'm really tired. I'm dead tired, maybe I'm tired, more tired than you. She would have told this, I would have easily given up because I'm not that rude. But when she started this rudeness, I am more bad. So मेरा भी दिमाग हटा. Then that is the actual where we started. But in the end, like when we were leaving Agra, she came to the bus and she said, Zara, sorry, whatever happened. Then at that time I said okay, because she meant at that time. But then फिर वो बात ख़त्म नहीं हुई थी वहाँ पे शायद. मैंने तो ख़त्म कर चुकी थी. But then Jyotsna had something in her heart, I don't know. तो मतलब जब आप sorry बोलते हो, you should mean it, right?
Yeah, then cut it there.
Yeah, exactly. So one time we started sending messages. We have a group, Glory's group. It's a separate WhatsApp chat for the only contestants. No official people are there. So we were chatting there, and we started sending, some sharing some of the private pictures like bikini pics or anything sexy, hot, whatever. So that was the thing. I sent it because I sent also picture because one of my friends Shelly, she requested me, Zara, you send me your hot picture. So I sent one. अब वो picture है वहीं पे group में, ठीक है. Then after some time happens कि करवा चौथ की बातें आती कहाँ से, and I was only because बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब trail हो रहे थे messages. So I was trying to say कि मतलब क्यों upset हो रही हो तुम लोग, मतलब white साड़ी पहननी है, it's okay. I think if you can request hot mount, definitely they are very kind people. I don't think so they will reject. They will listen to it. तो किसी और दिन बना लें, कोई बड़ा मसला नहीं है. And अगर होता भी है तो it's a sign of peace. I have only written this, and madam jump करके बिना सोचे समझे she started saying कि these are the rituals and then this is Hindu ritual, तुम्हें क्या पता है and all that. I said Jyotsna, please don't jump on this. मैं तुम्हें नहीं बता रही, and I'm not against it. I'm only advising. It's my just advice, and I'm already with you guys. It's not like कि मतलब मैं कुछ against कह रही हूँ. I don't think कि मतलब ये चीज़ों को मत लाओ religion को चीज़ों को बीच में. I am Muslim, it's okay, but you should not bring this in this stage. No, I'll tell you. After I finish, you can do it. I have to still, you have to confess me why you did this, because I didn't understand. No point,
Confessing is not the right word. I have to give my views.
Okay, you give your views, whatever it is.
What's your
but you have to hear me out, because
So
I didn't
since
understand why.
She began from the quite the start, so let me begin.
No, I'll tell you after that what happened. She did this thing, okay, she messaged me and all that, and her topic started. I said, you don't bother and all that. Then I also said, मतलब मैंने भी कुछ लिखा उसमें. I said, smiles. Okay, then it was bad. Of course, I am sorry for that. I shouldn't be saying. But at that time, I was very angry because you send me messages ki desperate and all that. Okay,
it was
and
mutual.
She sent me
It was mutual because
you started.
The attacks happened from both the sides.
You started.
I never
okay,
began.
Everybody.
I never
you
began,
started
Zara.
sending me messages.
But then when someone begins, I never.
The one we sent earlier, like 1 month ago, which nude picture, like it was some sexy pictures, It was not nude. It was just bag showing. I was showing my bag, and everybody was exchanging pictures at that time. It was nothing किसी को harm करने के लिए नहीं था. When we were not harming any social, any society or something. So I said कि वो photo उसने reply करके बोला, see your desperation here. I said, excuse me, you are no one to call me desperate or whatever. And she started saying you Botox works and all that. I said, excuse me, my family is already beautiful. It's my generation genetic. I'm like this. I don't need Botox. Maybe you need Botox.
So much.
So this is very personal things. I don't like.
Her side of things. How it started. You're missing those points.
You start now. I finished already. So you said that Botox and all that, which I have never done and I will never do also because I don't need it. So I told you that time ki maybe you need it because we have our family, and I sent her my mother's pics. See, my mom she is beautiful like this only. My grandmother is also like this, so we are like this only.
So family. Can I begin now?
So now you can begin, yeah.
So basically, I am an art of living practitioner, and I do meditations. So I have a feeling that yes, there should be positivity around. But at the same time,
but you're talking about doing Botox and all.
No, that's like you are just catching things from the middle. You should start.
But I should just meditate.
1 second, even I have. What I'm saying is, you should know what has exactly happened. So you just pick up things from the middle. It's not fair, right? So that's when the chair thing happened. I first of all didn't know who is sitting there. I took the chair, but even she was equally rude.
No.
And when she was rude,
never Jyotsna. Because
see, I'll give one
example. I'll give one example.
Patiently.
When you are rude, I will be rude, of course.
When you spoke,
I will not be like
when you spoke, I listened to you patiently. Please Give me 5 minutes to speak.
Okay, you speak.
Please,
Sure.
in between, don't speak a word.
Sure, sure.
So that's what happened, and that chair thing, of course, I didn't even know who was there, and she was very rude to me. I just told her that since we are Hindu people and we believe in this ritual, if you're not celebrating Karwa Chauth, that doesn't mean you will have your opinion and we should abide by it. We, a Hindu group of girls,
But
wanted
you
to do.
already, you sent me my picture
Please
already.
ask her not to interrupt.
But you sent my picture.
Ask her
right?
not
How
to
you
interrupt. We
say
have very
you don't
less
know?
time.
How you saying you don't know me?
What?
You are sending my pictures reply. That
Okay,
see
I'll
your
tell you.
desperate-
I'll tell you because once you asked me after that happened after that discussion. How it started? She told me that she told generally everyone. She began that this is a Karwa Chauth matter. You guys should not create a fuss about it. Wear white only on 17th. It is a kind of a peace gesture. Then I came forward that I didn't even know. I didn't had her number. So I said no, it's not fair. It's our ritual. We should do it on our own. And the way we do. So please, I believe in secularism.
Did you say it in this way?
Yeah, definitely.
No,
I
you didn't
I
say
have the
it.
proof. I can share.
Okay, sure.
Okay, I'll talk first. Can I speak now?
Yes,
So I believe in peace and harmony and secularism, but at the same time we have some limitations, and we need to follow our ritual. That's when she told me, don't teach me ritual and everything. We had a fight in there, and that's when she alleged me that I abused her, which was very, very hurting. I didn't abuse. I believe in positivity. As I said, I'm art of living practitioner, and that's when I felt very bad, and that's when things became, too aggressive and everything, a heated argument. Then she said, I'm not desperate like you. I said, even I'm not desperate like you, because I can see the kind of pictures what you're posting in the groups. It's very desperate. I never
means
post
this
such
is desperate.
pictures. I said that in my defense because you
But
started.
at that time, I think
Don't take
everybody
me
was
wrong.
sending
Don't take me wrong. It
pictures,
was
right?
just happened in the heat.
Just because
heat of the
nobody
moment.
asked you doesn't mean you are not
Zara, I
desperate.
don't have anything against you. I've already forgiven you. What happened?
Forgiven? Excuse me, I have to forgive you, man. You came again yesterday and
No.
you said sorry and hugged me. Why? I never
not
said you sorry. Because
never-
I didn't do
no,
anything
No.
to
I
say you
haven't said sorry. I said just forget it because we
My
are
dear,
friends at the end of the
yesterday
day.
you came to me
I
and you
haven't
even
said
clicked
sorry.
it and you sent it to Glory,
I am
right?
not sorry.
Everybody knows.
I just want you to forget all those things
Yeah,
because
my
that's
friend
a
was
sign
there.
of
She was
maturity.
surprised to see you like saying sorry
I'm
to
still
me.
saying we should forget bad things
Yeah,
because
but don't
that's
say
not a
that
sign of
you
maturity.
Forgive me.
Forgive? No, forgive
You
in the
just
sense.
said कि you
Forgive
you
means we should
are ready
forget
to
that
forgive.
matter, okay? We should forget that matter because there's a signs of maturity, okay? And it's not about, exchanging heated arguments. At the end, we are 172 contestants and we are one family.
Yeah, you would have done it better before, earlier. If you did, maybe you would have lots of
Because-
friends
because-
with you.
no,
but
no,
now
it's
I can
not-
see you, you are like, I have very good,
believe-
whatever
see,
things.
what I believe is-
me,
what
everybody
Shushmita
was saying
saying-
you had some stomach pain and all that.
Shushmita
Everybody's
saying-
talking about you, bitching about you. But yesterday we had a party.
Okay.
They were all talking about nonsense things. I said, please, can we talk about something else, maybe?
I don't know whom are
And
you
because
talking about because I've equally heard bad things about you, but I don't
No
talk
problem.
about it.
No problem. But
You will keep walking straight, and then here. And after that, again straight, and there. So this is how you stand. Once you come here, everyone is lined. Do high 1.5. Go back. And next number 2 is coming, right? Giving the mic and then go back and take your position. No exit till the time everyone is not doing. It's not fair when they can wait for you, you have to wait for them. Once all done. Everyone is here? Yes. So now, same way leaders. You take your group out of and when the music will start, you guys come.
रिहर्सल्स और सेमीफाइनल्स की तैयारी के साथ हमारे फाइनलिस्ट ने मौका निकाल ही लिया थोड़ी मस्ती का।